Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to talk about Canon inkjet printer. This is slightly different compared to the desktop printer, which is normally used in home as well as in the office. So the initial cost will be high for this particular printer, but the running cost is really less. So for a desktop printer, it can cost around 12 to 15 rupees per page, but for this it will come around hardly 2 rupees per page. So with a cartridge you can take more number of printouts compared to the desktop printer. So let's unbox it. So this is the model Canon inkjet G3000. So the company claims that it can take 6000 pages from 3 inks which is provided with this one, and it gives 3 color toners as well. So these are the 3 inks what we get with this printer. This is black color, which is marked as BK, and the model number is G1790. And if you take the color, the model number is same, GI790, and it comes with 3 colors: cyan, magenta and yellow. And we will get 2 cables with this one. One is the power cord, and the other one is the USB cable. One end you can connect to the laptop, other end you can connect to the printer. I will first start the printer. Prior to that, I will show what else you have to do as an initial setup. You can just pull this one. So here there is a toner, means the cartridge you have to insert it first, because when you do the initial setup it will come in the center. Right now it is there in the right corner. It is a very simple procedure. The second thing is, just make sure of the hinge. You have to be very careful. This is the place you can fill the ink. This is black. Just open the rubber bush and just take the black ink, just pour it. Make sure that it's not spilling out from the tank. Just close it. Make sure that you are closing the lid as well. The same way you have to do for the color. So there are 3 separate tanks, one for cyan, one for magenta and the other for yellow. Just close this. Once you are done with the filling of the inks, you can close this as well. So you have to pull the lever and you can close this one. Let me connect the power cable. So this one you have to just rotate clockwise and insert it. So now you have connected the power cable as well as the USB cable. Just open this, just power on the printer. So for the setup it will take 6 to 10 minutes. So this is a inkjet printer and Wi-Fi enabled printer. So if you want to take a printout from mobile, it's possible. You need to install a Canon app for this one. For example, this is iOS supported. So you go to the App Store, then search for the go to the App Store and search for the Canon printer. Just Canon Print Inkjet Selfie. This is the printer app name. Canon Print Inkjet Selfie. Okay. So now the printer is on. We will try the USB connection with the laptop. So the procedure of installing the driver in Apple laptop as well as the Windows laptop is the same. All you have to do is go to Google browser, just search for Canon G3000 driver for Mac. Click on that. It will show the package. Click on download. So for Mac it's DMG package, and for a Windows it's .exe setup. Just click on that. It will try to initialize. Right click on the setup. Just 1 minute. Let me connect the mouse. Just right click on the setup. Just click on open. Again click on open. So it's giving error because it's already in use. I have already installed it, so I'm not taking much time for this. So when you install the driver, it will ask to connect your Wi-Fi connection. If you are connecting the this thing through Wi-Fi, otherwise you can do a direct connection. Now I have already connected, so let me take a print now. I'm going to print this particular picture from the MacBook Pro. This is a 2014 edition MacBook Pro. This printer is compatible with all the Mac OS which is greater than 10.x. So I took the wallpaper and I'm going to click print. So here there are options you can change. So just put the paper, just do the alignment. This is an A4 size paper, and check the printer, make sure that you have selected the correct printer. Presets, I am not doing any change in the presets, and pages, I have only one page and one copy, and I have selected a scale to fit. You can change the setting as scale and scale to fit, and print the entire image. I'm just going to click print. See the print. The print looks fine. Now I'm going to take the print from the mobile. So as I said, go to the Canon app which I already installed. So this was already connected using Wi-Fi. So to get the Wi-Fi enabled, first what you have to do is you have to hold this Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds. Then the power button starts flashing. Then just click on the color button. Then again click on the Wi-Fi button again. Now if you go to the Wi-Fi settings of your mobile, okay, my Wi-Fi is already connected to the my mobile Wi-Fi is already connected to my internet router. Now the Canon is already listed. Now go to the Canon app again. The printer is not found here. Okay, I will first try to do the direct connection. I will just forget this network, then I will go with this one. Let's see whether we can do a direct connection with this printer or not. So just a reminder, when you do a direct connection, only one device can connect to the printer and other device won't be able to connect to the printer. That is called direct connection. And if you are connecting to the router, multiple devices can do a print. Okay, let's go to the Canon app now. Okay, it's saying that Wi-Fi connection it's not working. Okay, now I'm going to select the direct connection. Let's see. So what it's trying to do is it's trying to create an SSID and the password. It will take some time. Please bear with me. It's asking to join. Click on join. Okay, now it's connected. See, now it's when I click on the Canon G3000 series, it start acquiring the printer information. Okay, now what I have to do is I have to select an image. Okay, I have selected this image. Click on select, click on next, go to the printer settings, make sure that how many copies you want, select the paper size. The paper I have inserted is A4. Click on A4. What type of media type you want, click on plain paper. Bordered, you don't have any choice to do that. Now the color, what kind of color you want, monochrome or color. Now I have given as monochrome. So foreign paper is selected. Do you want to check the online manual on how to replace paper on your printer? I don't want that right now. Click on no and click on print. It's time to print. See the printout. Yeah, this is not color, this is monochrome. That's the reason why it looks different. So likewise, you can print documents. You can create a photo and print that. You can scan and give a printout. So this is not a printer. It have the option to scan as well as take the copy of the documents you want. I will give the details of this printer in the link, and even I will give the Amazon link as well. So the price might have changed a little bit. Anyways, if you find this informational, please do comment, and please like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot for your time, and have a good day ahead. Bye.